used to catch in Arizona were not this big.
Really? Yeah. So you can get them on the front feet and kind of lift it up.
It's really hard to tell how close he's getting to me.
Whoa, oh, look at that one. He moved on that
They can
one.
move pretty fast when they want to. I wouldn't get too close.
I remember that one of Darren's, it would sit and do like push-ups when it was mad at you.
He's got it on a stick.
Hey, look what we've got for dinner.
There he goes. He's going.
He's chasing me. Oh my gosh. He's like doesn't want to be
pictures?
Almost got him. Oh, he's on his back for a minute.
He got mad when I said, "Hey, look what we're having for dinner." Tarantula on a stick.
He will not.
Larissa, you gotta get closer.
Larissa, we got to get a picture of your face next to this.
No, I'm not going next to it.
Just put it on her face and then
Happy birthday!
Didn't torment him anymore.
This is Larissa's birthday present.
Ew, look at it walk.
oh,
We ought
Let's
to
run
get
him
back
over.
off the road.
No.
Somebody else will run him over.
He likes coming toward me a little too much.
Come on, come on.